Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a paper wallet. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press it well. Now fold one side towards the corner. Now the other one and press it. Fold one edge. Then the corners. Repeat the step from the other side and press it well. Fold towards the middle crease and press it. Folding into two equal halves and press. Folding externally and press it to form the shape of the wallet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. You may share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. Alright, like this. It's done. Place your accessories in it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.